Bad, man.
That's bad.
Why is head or something?
That's all you need, man. What? You're an alien fucking American God fuel cycle. That's not how you fucking stay in the world. You were still up in the what? You don't. I don't know. It's just maybe. But you guys think. We're up in the fucking rave. Yeah, I don't know. I was up, what?